Where's your banana?
No. We have to wait for our Christmas party guests. Binu, I just remembered. I forgot to invite the
That's
guests.
yours?
It's all right. Follow me. Let's go get them. And when we're all together, we can decorate the tree. Already decorated, but
Uh-oh.
Birthday
Birthday cake?
Let's invite the bears to our party. I guess no one's home. You want to go back and open our presents? Yes. Let's go invite Mr. Goat. I know he really loves Christmas broccoli.
What's that?
Favorite too. Yoo-hoo! Nope.
What are you drinking?
Here. Hey, what about Mrs. Elephant? You can't have a party without Mrs. Elephant. And Mrs. Elephant loves singing. We can sing Christmas songs.
Can I have some?
Here we are. Oh, Mrs. Elephant.
Can I have some?
She's here. Yes, Binu?
A cup.
Thank you.
And open the presents? Well, it's a good idea. Before we do, inviting Mr.
What are you gonna eat?
Yes! He's such a great dancer. Oh, Mr. Drago!
Can you say bye-bye?
It's me.